In this video, we answer the question of how to connect additional domains to the same Framework 360 environment where a main domain is already present. The answer is very simple. To connect additional domains, first of all, obviously, we need to purchase them. We can go to Aruba, for example, which has a very low price for purchasing domains, or to others. Providers like SiteGround, GoDaddy, Register, there are many of them. Once we have purchased our secondary domain, for example, mysite2.com. For instance, we can search for it, and if it's available, we can purchase it, as we can see. In fact, the price for a .com is euros for the first year, and then euros plus VAT from the second year onwards. Once purchased, we will find ourselves inside our Aruba panel, where our additional domain has been configured. Afterwards, we just need to go inside. Settings in our Framework 360 environment under Configuration, and then on Domains. If we scroll down, in fact, we can see that the section where multiple domains can be linked to the same environment will be available. Simply, we just need to take our domain that we have just purchased, for example, mysite2.com, and click on Save. Next, we will simply need to take the IP address of the server where Framework 360 is running, click Copy, which will always be shown here in the Settings section, Configuration, Domains, go to our hosting service where we purchased our domain, and click on the Control panel. In the case of Aruba, click on Domain in the left sidebar, and then on DNS Management and Name Server. Here, we will simply need to go where there is the A record section, or in our respective provider, look for the DNS and then see where the A records are located, click on Manage, and then proceed to change. Where it says Empty on the pencil, add the IP address that was shown in our environment. Once this is done, click on the B for confirmation, then click on Proceed. At the end, remember to save the configuration. Otherwise, Aruba will not apply the changes and the pointing will not occur. Once you have clicked Save Configuration Point, we will need to wait a few hours for the DNS propagation to occur. And then our additional domain will be pointed to Framework 360. Subsequently, we could use mysite2.com, for example, on the website pages or in landing pages or funnels. In short, on all the pages of our Framework 360 environment, we can point our additional domain. It will be enough to simply click on Add a Page, and as we can see here, there will be Connect Domain and then the option to select the additional domain, mysite2.com. Once this is done, the page we build will be available when people search for mysite2.com. So the additional domain will point directly to the landing page or the specific page in our environment. Framework 360